thank you so much for participating in the first annual.
Unity Walk.
Yeah, I was waiting for whether I wanted to say club or not. We just wanted to like celebrate the different types of clubs that we have and all of the accomplishments of the clubs that we've had this year. We're just gonna take Dory a very easy walk around the building, maybe twice. We'll do, I don't think it's your favorite trail. I don't know what you guys call it, but
It's like the nature walk when you're at gym.
the nature walk. Okay, then we'll shorten it. We'll shorten it. And then at the end, when we come out of the other side there should be some Kona ice waiting for us at 3:30. So today we just planned a unity walk with the clubs. Social Justice Club and Now Club felt that we haven't had a big event for kids to come together, especially since COVID. We haven't really had anything club related. I think the kids are really proud of the diversity of clubs that we have, and we just wanted to get together and kind of celebrate the accomplishments and the programs that we've put together. And it was just a good sort of end of the year kind of event. So Social Justice Club and Now Club organized it, and then Interact Club treated us to the Kona ice, and then we had a few other clubs show interest and students RSVP'd, and then they showed up from various clubs to represent.